Automatic Shisha charcoal packaging machine using nylon bags, which can be sealed or have their mouths glued. Advantages of automatic packaging machines. Increased productivity, fast and efficient packaging to meet large production needs. Ensuring hygiene, minimizing direct contact with charcoal, ensuring hygiene and safety. Uniformity and accuracy, precisely quantifying the weight of charcoal in each package, ensuring product uniformity. Cost reduction, reducing labor and material waste. Features of automatic Shisha charcoal packaging machines. PLC control, easy adjustment of packaging parameters such as weight, speed, and package shape. Touch screen, user-friendly interface, easy to operate. Precise quantification mechanism, ensures uniform weight of charcoal in each package. Date printing system, prints production date and expiry date on the packaging. Ability to connect with other devices, creates a complete automatic packaging line.